this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'd like to introduce you to the brand new DeWalt hand dry vacuum. It's not a wet vacuum, it's just a dry vacuum. And you turn it on right here. It has a very powerful suction, and then it has a lot of accessories. So you can put this smaller brush on here and turn it on. Okay. And here's a little bigger brush. You can put that on. And then, let's see what we got. Oh, here's a big flexible brush. Let's try that out. It articulates. So we'll turn that on. And then it has two extensions. You got the solid extension like this, and you got a nice long flexible extension. And then they include a very nice mesh bag right here. This is what they call the tank, and you just press this button right here, it comes right off. The tank capacity is 23.6 ounces. The runtime with a 5 amp hour battery is 21 minutes. The tank has a HEPA filter, and it just pulls out like that. And so you can get new HEPA filters whenever you need one. You can get them from Amazon or Home Depot and so forth. And they go right in here like that. So that's how you take the HEPA filter on and off. There. So it just snaps back together like that. It has a hook right here. You call it a belt hook, but really it's for putting on a ladder where they have a little slot for items like this. If you need to be cleaning higher up, you can put it on your ladder. It's designed nicely. It has a little place so it can set like that. And the whole thing is ergonomic. It's a very nice vacuum. The tool weight without the battery is 3.3 pounds. It will suck up 46 cubic feet per minute. Let's go try it out. Here's what the little gutter looked like after one pass. It has a built-in light to illuminate your work. This vacuum costs about $149 without a battery, and I think it's just fantastic for a construction site, for smaller jobs. But I don't know if I can get it away from Mrs. Sparky Channel. You know, she really likes it. So we'll see how that goes. I'll put a link in my video description for the DeWalt hand dry vac. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.